We are here at the 2018 Customer Rendezvous for Azimut Yachts and MarineMax Yachts. And we have had a fantastic weekend. Started out on Thursday with a wonderful meet and greet with all of our customers. Friday took us to the fantastic White Elephant.
Hi, Azimut!
Thank you, Azimut. Loving Nantucket.
Oh, you won!
We enjoyed a wonderful dinner at the Great Harbor Yacht Club.
Here we go, here we go!
It takes a year of hard work from the MarineMax marketing team, Abby, and all the Northeast team.
And tonight we are going to a Nantucket clam bake. I mean, what more would you ask for a fantastic weekend with great people? Part of the reason that we love our customers so much is that we get to spend time with them, and we get to spend time with them using their boats. So we are very, very excited to have everyone here in Nantucket. We can't thank you enough for being part of this wonderful weekend, and we look forward to seeing you again soon.